Hello, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Judy. We are currently at Cretya in Ubud, and it has these infinity pools that are just ascending down different tiers, different levels. We've seen it on so many pictures, so we decided to come check it out today. I changed into my bathing suit and we are ready to get in, check out this amazing view overlooking the rice terraces. So let's get in. And before we get inside, if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below and say hello. Let's get inside.
A few moments later.
Little baby one too.
Oh my god, yeah!
Watch out.
Oh, so many! Oh my god. Alright, we just left Cretya and it took about 30 minutes to stop by the sacred monkey forest. We actually didn't plan on coming here, but it was on the way back to our villa and we had a little bit of time left before it closes here. So we decided to stop by because we actually have not been here yet. We were like, we've seen monkeys before, but we're already here, so why not? Something people usually do in Ubud, visit the sacred sanctuary monkey forest. So we've already sighted a couple. Oh my gosh, they're so fast. It's like they're cute, but then they also look scary at the same time. Jeez, their tails are so long. Little creatures. I'm scared that they're going to pop up at any minute.
He's just chilling eating the chips.
Hi! The chips looking real good. Alright, that was a very quick visit to the monkey forest. Actually, we only had a little bit of time left before their closing hours, so our lovely driver Harry brought us to the back of the forest to check out some monkeys, but we ended up finding a little pathway that led us into the forest, but not really. We were really inside the forest, but just the back part of it, which was basically the same experience as going into the forest, just on the other side. We saw a bunch of monkeys. I was literally guarding my belongings for dear life because those monkeys were so fast. They literally gave no mercy. Some of them started chasing after us, and I literally, my heart dropped a beat, but we made it out alive and we are back in the car. We are on our way back to our villa. It has been a lovely day in Ubud. Cretya was awesome with the infinity pool views with the rice terraces in front of us. We got a little glimpse of the little crazy, aggressive, feisty, fierce monkeys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below and say hello. Goodbye, Harry.
Thank you for today, right?
Yes, thank you. Terima
Next
kasih.
video, yeah.
Bagus.
See you next time.
Ganteng.
Yep. Thank you, Judy.
Ganteng.
Yep.
You are
You're my
kuat.
good friend, you
What?
know. Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
The next day.
Today is Sunday and we found a deal on Sundays at this place called Sushimi, which is very close to our villa. It should be about a 5-minute scooter ride from our villa. On Sundays, they have 20k rupiah plates. It's a conveyor belt sushi restaurant and each plate costs 20k and that is the deal. So we're very excited for that. So you gotta remember, if you're in Bali, every Sunday go to Sushimi. Finished the meal and they gave us a lovely rose. Alright, the sushimi place was a good deal and there were a lot of different sushi rolls, so a ton of variety, and you can also get their nigiri, so a ton of options. 20k per plate, which is a little bit over $1 per plate, and we got a coconut water and mango iced tea to clean our palate. It was a pretty good deal and we were stuffed because we definitely ended up getting a ton of plates stacked up. So we ended up taking a 40-minute walk to the Sunday market, which is where we are now. Small little shops with dessert. We saw a stall selling mini burger sliders and a bunch of Sunday market goodies. Some clothes, accessories, everything you can think of in the Sunday market. And I am just in this indoor market that's next to it because it is so hot and I was literally drenched in sweat, and now I'm in here needing to cool off with the AC. But for Sundays, if you're looking for lunch or dinner, this 20k deal is all day on Sundays at Sushimi. So I would highly recommend you checking it out if you want to have some sushi rolls on a Sunday. It's a very good deal, lots of options, 10 out of 10 recommend. On the way home.